My name is Mark Jones and I'd like to talk to you about the Explora Multitool, which comes with this very nice purpose-built carrying pouch. This is the tool itself, constructed from high quality toughened steel. So we have a set of very useful pliers. These are becoming useful this week already. And then in each handle we've got a number of blades which lock into place: a saw, screwdriver, bottle opener, etc., knife. Okay, and then we've got a similar on this side with more attachments, small knives, which do lock into place like so, and then it can be easily released with this lock and release button on the back to put them back from whence they came. And then that folds away neatly like so.